So if you have a Samsung dryer that won't spin, once you turn it on, all the lights look good, but if you hit the start button, the drum doesn't spin and you don't hear any noises. What you probably have is a broken belt. Basically on the inside of this thing, there's a motor down on the bottom, there's a belt, and then it spins the drum. And if the belt is broken, there's a sensor that won't let the drum spin and won't let the motor spin either. So on an older dryer, you might hear the motor, but on a newer dryer like this, the motor's not going to spin because of that sensor. So in my opinion, they should have put a light on the signal board indicating that's the problem, but they didn't. So the way you fix it is you open the whole thing up, you replace the belt. It's fairly simple. There's videos online about how to do that. But if you do that and then it still doesn't start, what you've got to do is reset your dryer like I did. So shut it off, unplug it from the back wall, hold this power button down for 5 seconds, and then hold the start button down for 5 seconds, plug it back in, it should start right up.